So from here we have to go to 16 kilometer to reach the dam. இப்போ நம்ம exactly we are entering to Quriyat Dam. This is before going to the Quriyat Dam. You will find this village, and towards that end, you can find that hill. So that's a Quriyat Dam. No, I think that's not. We have to take from here. We have to take left. From here, we have to go for 13 kilometers from here. So actually, from this village, before entering the village, we have to take the left. And from here, 12 to 13 kilometers. And also, we have one supermarket inside this village. I have seen the board. And after 13 kilometers, we will find the exact location. I mean, long back, I have been here. I have visited this area. So after, I think after a year, we are once again going to visit this Quriyat Dam. So people, those who are nearby Muscat and in Oman, or if anybody wish to explore Oman, you can keep this Quriyat Dam in your checklist. Also, you can have a very good time. It's not only just to visit the dam. Also, when you come to this area, you can cover 5 to 6 areas, or like tourist spots. Like one is Wadi Shab, Wadi Tribi, and this Quriyat Dam, then Sur Turtle Beach, and along with the Turtle Beach, when you come back, you can find opposite to or nearby Wadi Tibi. But when it is like when you are back from Sur, you can find Zinc Hole and